March is great for so many things, but one of them is National Nutrition Month. So we knew no better way to celebrate than to bring our dear friend Grace Derocha. She's a registered dietitian, certified diabetes educator, and the national spokesperson for the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics. That's a lot of things.
All the words, all the things.
Such an expert, dear, and we're so happy to have you.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah.
So it's really interesting. National Nutrition Month, every March, we get to celebrate nutrition, which should be endless, though.
Always, every month.
Every month. But this theme this year is Beyond the Table. So we're going to talk about a lot of things this month, but one of the things that I wanted to talk about with you and that we talked about as an important subject is fiber.
Yes, because most people aren't getting enough.
Yeah, so the average American is getting somewhere between 10 to 15 grams of fiber a day.
Okay.
But we are supposed to be getting 25 to 40 grams of fiber a day.
That's a big gap.
Yeah, that is a big gap.
Yeah.
But there's some really easy ways that we can fill that. And this is not going to be a surprise.
I know. I was like, none of this is really shocking at all.
Right. But it's not super sexy or shocking, but it is real and it can happen quickly, faster than you realize to get to that fiber goal.
Okay.
So of course we have fruits and vegetables.
Yeah.
You know, on average, a half a cup of serving of fruit or veggies can have anywhere from 2 to 8 grams of fiber, depending.
You could be halfway there.
Yeah, right there with the serving, right? So just keeping that in mind as you go through your day, there's so many opportunities to add in different things.
Okay.
One of our favorites, I know, nuts and seeds. We love nuts and
They're
seeds.
portable. You can take them anywhere. There's bags in my purse.
Yes.
You know.
Bags in my purse, bags in the car, bags at work, at home. Just you sprinkling them everywhere. But again, another very easy way, and it adds crunch and texture to salads, to whatever you might be eating at that time.
Yeah.
So another great one.
Okay.
You know my favorite. I love beans.
I know.
It's the magical fruit. It is great. It is colorful. It is packed with fiber. A half a cup of that can run you anywhere from like 6 to like 15-ish grams of fiber, depending on the bean.
I mean, throw some on your tacos. Make a soup. Throw a can
You know,
in.
I love chickpeas. Chickpeas are not pictured here, but chickpeas on a salad.
Little hummus.
Yeah.
Okay.
Love that.
Yeah, they're also easy too. I mean, really, you just a can is the best way to go. It's just easy. You pick it up and go.
I have lentils and chia seeds here as well to kind of go in with that family. And then our whole grains, we have a couple here, right? We have some oatmeal, we have some quinoa, you know, it could be brown rice, whole grain bread. But again, conserve a pack, a punch of fiber to kind of get you closer to that goal. And fiber is great. It's a street sweeper of our gut, helps get rid of waste and toxins, but also can help with our heart health.
Absolutely. And people will notice when they're eating enough fiber, right? It's one of those things that you'll feel it.
Yeah. And I always say to people, if you feel like you're bloated or gassy, like try to slowly increase that fiber, but also make sure you're getting enough water. Fiber and water are best friends, and it will help get rid of some of that extra waste and help you feel less gassy and bloated.
I love it. Grace, thank you so much. Always a wealth of information. Now, if people want to learn more, you guys have some recipes on your website too.
Yes, so eatright.org, it's the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics website. It has a wealth of information from recipes to information that is real and valid and science and evidence-based.